In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Grammarly AI subscription step by step so you can do it quickly and avoid any confusion along the way. Whether you're trying to stop the renewal, switch to a different writing tool, or just don't need the premium features anymore, this guide will walk you through the full process. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, log in with the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. This is important because if you're signed into the wrong account, you may not see the billing options you're looking for. After you're in, look over to the left sidebar menu. You should see an option called Account, so go ahead and click that. This will open up your account settings where Grammarly keeps your profile, billing, and subscription controls. Next, in the menu options that expand, click on Subscription. This is the section where you can manage your plan details and see the status of your current subscription. Take a moment to review the page if you want to confirm what plan you're on before making any changes. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. At the bottom, you'll find a red link that says Cancel Subscription. This is the option you'll need to use to start the cancellation process. Click that link to continue. A prompt window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Grammarly may try to make sure you really want to leave, so don't worry if it gives you a confirmation step. In that window, click Continue, or in some cases, you may see Yes, Continue. After that, you'll usually be asked to select a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Once you've done that, click Cancel Subscription one last time to fully confirm the cancellation. After that final click, your subscription should be cancelled successfully. Depending on your billing cycle, you may still have access until the end of the current period, so it's always a good idea to check the confirmation message or email afterward. And that's it. You've now cancelled your Grammarly AI subscription. If this walkthrough saved you time, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.